Tomorrow I have to go back to Korea, but the sky is connecting us, and I will miss you. I want to meet you again, and I think we can do it. Teacher Ann, thank you for teaching me how to understand the story. Teacher Jacob, thank you for teaching me short stories. Teacher Dax, thank you for teaching me in the listening class will enhance my listening skills. Teacher Rich, thank you for teaching me writing. Teacher Amy, thank you for teaching me Philippines and USA's attitude and writing. Teacher Louis, thank you for teaching speaking class. To other teachers, thank you too. I'm very happy over being here, but I can't stop today. Tomorrow is our departure day. Even though I'm far away, but my heart will stay here forever. Previous teachers and here staff, thank you for everything. I will never forget you all.